No foreign power on this oil train. Just some num-nums. Yeah, it's pouring. I think I heard another horn down there blowing. So we might have a westbound. But I ain't staying out for long. Because it's raining. Oil, oil, oil. Nah. I guarantee you we got a westbound coming. Oh man, this rain's insane. Good thing this phone's waterproof. I hope. Ah, look at this. That's interesting. 20,000, huh? It'd be nice to have $20,000, I tell you. Long oil train. And this is loaded, by the way. Wow. Good marker. It's pouring down rain today. It's coming down pretty good. Well, that was 6E4. I missed the 6K4 today. I had a CP GE second out, 8883, and I missed it. Let's look here. We got some trucks coming here. Oh no, we got the truck driver coming. That truck driver is probably like, why are you trying to come from? And you can see my wife down there in the wheelchair. My wife is coming in the wheelchair here. She's getting soaked like a wet Georgia peach. I got this train here. I think it's time for us to go home, because it's raining and my wife and I might get sick if we don't get better. So let's go home.